Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up eTermin actions automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Then it's going to bring you to this interface where you're simply going to click on install. Right here, click on allow and install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Right beside it, we have the tutorials. Here, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on API interfaces. You're going to click on API and web push. And you're going to copy your public key, head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your public key. Here, our sort and signature key is required. So we're going back to our account online. Click on Generate Test Values for sort and signature fields. There we go. Our sort and signature key has been generated. So we're going to copy our sort. Head over back to your account. You're going to paste your sort. Head over back to your account online, copy your signature, and click on Save Changes. Head over back to your account and paste your signature. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the HighLevel Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.